everyone. Yeah, it's been a while that we stuck in home, San Francisco, and yeah, I saw one of the posts. Yeah, they said that San Carlos is a very beautiful city to walk around in the evening, especially to look all the Christmas light. And here I am, guys. It's really pretty, actually. Yeah, downtown, a lot of restaurant. It's very beautiful. It has like outdoor seating, which is very nice. So yeah, I am looking around to see if we can find a really good restaurant that we can have our dinner tonight. Alright guys, let's stay around and check out with me. Wow, look at this, it's so beautiful. Yeah, it looks so cool. I love it. This is cozy too. See the side outside the small stores. Everything looks so beautiful. That's it.
Down there.
Alright, this is the first dish that we're getting. I love spicy chicken wings. And then the second one and the third one is coming. Where's the view of this area? Look at this. Again, this area is called San Carlos. Very big. Right, this is the second one, is a flatbread.
Barbecue chicken flatbread.
Okay, and what about this one?
Gnocchi with artichoke hearts.
Ooh, looks good. Yay, finally we have our life back. First time having life for a long time. Yes, please, thank you.
Perfect, thank you.
Any cheese over here, or you okay?
We're okay. Thank you.
You okay?
Yep, thank you. Whew. Bon appetit, baby.